What's up? What's up? I'm Nate Grecklick.
And I'm Ashley Dobbs.
Welcome to What's up? I'm Nate Grecklick.
And I'm Ashley Dobbs.
Welcome to Mohawk Table Talk.
Yes.
Mohawk Table Talk is where we fill you in on things that are going around the dealership, what's going on in the Honda world, and, music, because everybody listens to music while they're in the car.
Today, I am going to be guessing what the number one pop song on the radio is.
So if you were to turn it on to like 102.3 Kiss FM or like 99.5 The River, the first song you think you would hear on there?
Oh, you already cheated and gave me a hint.
On accident.
It was a UK singer, so I think Ed Sheeran is a UK singer.
He is. You know what his top song is right now?
The last song I knew was Shape of You, but I know that's not it because that's been out for a while.
Definitely not.
I don't know. I don't know.
They're awesome if they're flawless, if someone's flawless.
Perfect.
Yay! Got it.
Like, I didn't even know that, and I got it right. So with the sub-zero temperatures that we've been having, we've seen some battery issues. One of the number one tips that I could give to our customers is that, try to, if you can, drive your vehicle every day. Get the energy flowing through the vehicle, and that will definitely help avoid a possible non-start of the vehicle. Right. So that's definitely a good thing. And of course, always regular maintenance of your vehicle, your oil changes and things like that. All taking care of your vehicle as a whole will help avoid certain issues down the road.
Word. But we're going to move on to our new cars that are coming out. Honda has come out with the new and improved Insight, which looks...
There it is.
There it is.
It's gorgeous. It kind of looks like the Accord.
It does kind of look... It's got the front, fascia thing right there. And
great wheels.
They're actually going to drop it in Detroit. They said they're going to distinguish it from the Toyota Prius. 50 miles per gallon.
Yeah, that's crazy. Wow. Yeah. So it's got, so it's definitely going to have some nice features. We're going to have it Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We're going to have, certain Wi-Fi?
Yeah, Wi-Fi. So you'll be able to update your vehicle using Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
So we have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which is one of the features that Honda has actually been throwing in most of their vehicles.
We're certainly getting into most of our vehicles having that, and for those of you who don't know what it is, it's certainly a great thing to have, not only for streaming music from your phone, from Spotify, Pandora, but also we've been saving people a lot of money with going down in trim level because of the navigation. You can actually have your Google Maps, or what are the maps on the
It's just called Maps.
Just
and then
Maps.
Google Maps, because actually Apple has its own maps, Google has its own maps.
Right.
That's
so that actually comes up on your screen. You can see your maps, and it goes through your speakers. I mean, you're paying for your data anyways on your cell phone. Why not save a few $1,000s with purchasing, a car with the Apple CarPlay or the Android Auto.
That's crazy.
So it's definitely a great thing to have.
And the new thing that's going to be that people probably don't want to see coming, but it's going to happen anyway, is the electric vehicles. Everything's going to start becoming electric. I mean, we just got the Clarity in, 47 miles, all electric.
Yeah.
That's the future. Soon we'll be flying cars. Well, 2025, they're looking to have a fully autonomous vehicle that can just drive on the road without. That's crazy. I mean, it's already started. I mean, you can look at Twitter and all that fun stuff. Like, they already have cars that will bring people from point A to point B. But, yeah.
So
Technology is getting crazy. Now it's time for our weekly sponsor shout out. So our weekly sponsors are Mohawk Honda family members who have come in to service or buy a car from us and have left us a great response. So you start with the first one, Ashley.
Okay, so the first customer review I have here is from the service drive. And what is this their screen name? Well, I don't know what their name is, so they'll be anonymous, but thank you for your review. So this customer dealt with Vincent Huba, who is one of our service advisors. And they wrote, "It is a pleasure to walk into Mohawk Honda's service department. Everybody is friendly and helpful. My favorite is Vincent Huba. He is wonderful to deal with. He makes his customers feel special, and that is not just me. I have observed him with other customers whom he has treated equally well. Because of this service department, I didn't even go to another car dealer when I bought my second Honda from them in March of 2017. Great dealership."
Word up. 5 stars.
That was a 5-star review.
Got another 5-star from Chris L. Garhart. Thank you, sir. And he says, very friendly, and they work hard to please the customer. They took time to go over and help me with everything. Very pleased customer. Well, thank you, Chris. We're glad that you had a great experience. And we had Zach Esposito, Caleb, Michael Speranza, Justin McGrath, all part of here at the Mohawk Honda.
Purchasing a new vehicle,
Purchasing a new vehicle.
Awesome.
New CRV 2018.
Ooh. It's my favorite vehicle out right now.
Yeah, right?
Yeah. So the next one comes from Mark, and this was also a customer who purchased a used vehicle, and they worked with Zach Esposito and Caleb, one of our delivery coordinators. He says, service was very good, felt great about buying another Honda, hope to buy in the future. God bless America. Yes. Thank you, sir. Hope more people buy Honda. My wife has also bought a Honda.
Nice.
Yeah. Thanks, Mark.
And our last one is from Bridget Smith. Thank you, Bridget. And her review starts off with, always excellent. I have bought many cars from Mohawk Honda, and I always have a great experience. It's why I always go back. I love it. I always see the same faces. The staff must be happy. Well, we are very happy. It is a great place to work.
That's why we're a Mohawk Honda family.
And thank you for our weekly sponsors. Thanks for checking us out on our first Mohawk Table Talk. Please, if you like this video, like it down right here. Subscribe over to the left if you want to be notified when more of these are coming out. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, Mohawk Honda 1919. And we'll see you next week.